The evil empire axis of evil. Dick Blundy Jr. They possess untold wealth. Their goal? World domination. The Axis is opposed by the Freedom Fighters. Ben, Molly, Tom. Their only weapon? The truth.
History Hall. Professor Blundy Nice.
Professor Nice, my name is Dick.
I'm so glad to meet you. Please come in. What can I do for you?
Well, you know about Junior. I want to make him president, but he doesn't know enough.
I can teach him everything he needs to know.
But what makes you think that you can make Junior president?
I am head of the world's largest oil exploration company. My oil friends will put up the money. We have unlimited resources. We can make him president if he knows enough.
I see what you mean. I can teach him. When will we start?
The private jet will be here in the morning. You will be well paid.
Thank you, Dick. I look forward to working with you and Junior.
American News. Good morning, Molly. Good morning, Tom. I've been hearing a lot about secret meetings of oil executives.
Yes, I've been hearing about it too. I think it's dangerous.
Yes, and I think I've heard that Dick is organizing those meetings.
Yes, I think we need to look into it. I will start talking to oil contacts.
And I will try to contact my secret source, Deep Throat. This could be the biggest story in years. Good luck.